Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful dashboard. Not just this, let us click on this particular full report and see what we have right here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we have. We're just seeing the analysis based on transaction of this particular 10K. If I want to see the breakdown based on a quarterly basis, I can click on that. You want to see it based on a weekly basis, you can do that, and you can do this particular in-page navigation here. Not just on that particular aspect, you can do under in-page navigation by trying to see all that happen based on quantity order. You're seeing that based on monthly basis right now. You can actually try to see it based on quarterly basis. Now, what is under cool part of this dashboard? That is gonna be under the return, right? Yeah, the return part is a fun part you need to actually look at. So we are seeing based on all category right now. You can decide to choose a particular category to view this bar, or choose a particular month and year that you want to see this bar. And one of the coolest aspects of it is that we have this dynamic top end right here that we can actually switch between customer and product. Right now we're seeing top for customers that actually return the highest numbers of product they purchased. So if I want to say it based on top 3 right now, I do that. I'm seeing just the top 3, and you might want to see that based on the product level. So what is happening right here? It says analysis between this particular 2010 and 2013 based on the month selected and the days selected. How does this come to play? So let me show you how that works. So right here on the home page, you can actually select a date range that you might want to see analysis right in, and the whole value you have right here gets to change, and you have a trend that shows you how the quantity were ordered on a monthly basis. So if I want to see the full report based on the total net sales right now, I click on that and it takes me to the page where I can actually see more information about the net sales. If you want to see the profit, you can click right here and get to see what is going on based on the profit. And we have customer buckets right here. We have some customer grouped as diamond, we have some customer grouped as silver, and we have some customer grouped as gold. It depends on their purchases, right? So it says right click to drill down. So drill through rather, if I just drill through the customer profit now, this is what I'm gonna see. I'm just seeing customer for gold. That is exactly what this is. So you are seeing those customer that falls between those gold right there. I'm going to show you how to create everything you are seeing on this particular page. Nothing will be left out. All you just have to do is to actually hit the subscribe button if you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, and let's go and do this from the scratch. But before then, let us take a look at the task you're going to perform to have this dashboard created. Welcome to HPN Heavy Power Nutrition. You just accepted a new role as a data analyst at HPN Heavy Power Nutrition. Your first task is to develop a dashboard using historical data from the company. You're going to have a data that looks just like this, and many more. So we're going to see how to clean those data and actually connect them using the modeling part of Power BI. So let us look at your task in this particular course of you taking the role of a data analyst at HPN. The first task is the ETL, which is extract, transform, and load. You know what it is? If you don't know, don't worry. I'm going to show you how everything played out in this particular, playlist. The next one is writing logics. I'm talking about DAX, data analysis expression in Power BI. This is what can actually make you to some kind of make a calculation and tell your story. And the third one is dashboard design or report design, where you tell the story using charts, color, shapes, and all that. And finally is you publishing to Power BI service. That means you have 100% dashboard created. So welcome to the Power BI desktop environment where we are going to actually write some logic, both calculated column and as well merges, just like what you are seeing right here. We're going to do all this together. So all you just have to do is to stay tuned in every single series of this video in order for you to actually be abreast of the whole thing that's going to go on this particular class. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Just stay up to date because I'm gonna be releasing this batch by batch for you to actually keep track of what is going on right here. This is your best chance to learn how to create a dynamic dashboard in Power BI. So let us just walk through the elementary aspect first before we get into the difficult aspect. Welcome to my YouTube channel.